Hello guys, this is our first video. Ayan naman ang aking baby. So ayan. Gabi na guys. So it's 9:30 in the evening at gising pa ang bata. Hindi pa siya nakaidlip yan guys at bagong ligo naman ang inyong mommy. Ayan guys, subscribe na kayo sa aming channel. So ayan. First upload natin to. Actually guys, itong first upload na to is marami pa akong gagawin, mga clips, ganyan. Matututunan ko pa lang kung paano mag-edit. Ito pong vlog namin is ang aming buhay. Yan, buhay namin ng aking baby girl. And what we are doing in everyday life. So, ayun. For the meantime, ito lang muna guys. Please subscribe to our channel, Mommy and Bea's Vlog. Yay! This is Bea's Vlog. Say hi na.